On the open ocean, a new titan of American naval power is being put to the test, the USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78. This $13 billion supercarrier is the most advanced warship ever built, stretching over 1,100 feet and displacing 100,000 tons. As the flagship of a carrier strike group, the Ford projects American power anywhere on the globe. Powered by two A-1B nuclear reactors, it can operate for decades without refueling, giving it unmatched range and endurance. The Ford is the first new U.S. carrier design in over 40 years, built to replace the aging Nimitz class. With a crew of about 4,500, hundreds fewer than its predecessor, automation and advanced systems cut costs and boost efficiency. Ongoing sea trials push every system to its limits, ensuring readiness for modern warfare. What sets the Ford apart is its revolutionary technology, designed for greater efficiency, lethality, and adaptability. Every launch, recovery, and simulated combat scenario provides data to refine procedures and confirm this investment delivers on its promise. The Ford is the only operational carrier of its class, with more on the way. It stands as a symbol of American naval dominance for decades to come. The Ford's flight deck is home to two game-changing technologies, EMALS and AAG. EMALS, the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, replaces steam catapults with a powerful linear motor, launching aircraft more smoothly and efficiently. This allows the Ford to handle everything from heavy fighter jets to lightweight drones, increasing reliability and reducing maintenance. The Advanced Arresting Gear, or AAG, uses computer-controlled systems to safely stop landing aircraft, reducing stress on airframes and extending their service life. Together, EMALS and AAG boost the carrier's sortie rate by up to 33% over the Nimitz class, up to 160 flights a day, surging to 270 in crisis. These innovations mean more aircraft in the air, faster, giving the Navy a decisive edge. Sea trials are rigorously testing every launch and recovery to ensure these systems are ready for combat. Development wasn't easy, delays and cost overruns drew scrutiny, but the Navy pressed on, learning from each challenge. Now exhaustive testing is proving these systems are robust enough for the demands of naval aviation. If successful, they'll define the future of carrier operations. The Ford's flight deck is where the next era of naval aviation begins. The Ford class isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap beyond the Nimitz class in every way. Thanks to EMALS, AAG, and a redesigned flight deck, the Ford can launch and recover 25–30% more missions per day. Automation and efficient systems mean a smaller crew, about 4,500 instead of 5,000, saving billions over the ship's lifetime. Maintenance is easier too. Electromagnetic systems have fewer moving parts, cutting downtime by 30%. The new A-1B reactors generate triple the power, ready for future tech like lasers. Advanced weapons elevators move ordnance faster and safer, streamlining operations. Every detail, from workflow to refueling stations, is optimized for speed and efficiency. The Ford class is built to be the most effective and sustainable carrier ever to sail. Life aboard the USS Gerald R. Ford is like living in a floating city with a single mission power projection. With 4,500 crew, the ship runs 24/7, pilots, engineers, chefs, and medics all working together. Massive galleys serve 18,000 meals daily, and stockpiles keep the ship at sea for up to 90 days. Fitness centers, lounges, and even a TV studio help sailors stay healthy and connected. The onboard hospital includes an operating room, ICU, dental clinic, and pharmacy, ready for any emergency. Despite modern comforts, life is demanding, long hours, hazardous work, and months away from home. Improved living quarters and recreation help, but the relentless pace of flight ops sets the rhythm. The roar of jets is constant, a reminder of the ship's vital mission. It's the crew's dedication that transforms steel and technology into a living instrument of national power. The Ford is more than a ship, it's a community on the front lines. The Ford's true power lies in its air wing, a mobile airbase capable of global reach. F/A-18 Super Hornets and F-35C stealth fighters form the core, delivering air dominance and precision strikes. The EA-18G Growler jams enemy radar, while the E-2D Hawkeye provides early warning and command. Helicopters handle anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and logistics, making the air wing a complete fighting force. The carrier's defenses are just as formidable. Evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, rolling airframe missiles, and the Phalanx CIWS Gatling gun protect against threats. Advanced combat systems and dual-band radar provide superior tracking and targeting. The Navy is testing future tech, like directed energy weapons, to stay ahead of new threats. The combination of offensive reach and layered defense makes the Ford one of the most survivable warships ever built. It can project power and defend itself anywhere in the world. The Ford is the ultimate symbol of American sea power. The USS Gerald R. Ford is being tested in a rapidly changing world. Critics question the cost and vulnerability of supercarriers, but the Navy is adapting. New threats, like drone swarms and hypersonic missiles, demand new tactics and technology. The Ford's trials aren't just about hardware. They're shaping the Navy's future doctrine. Data from these tests will guide integration with space-based sensors, new defensive weapons, and unmanned systems. The Ford's massive power generation and flexible design make it the ideal platform for future upgrades. In an era of great power competition, credible naval power is essential for deterrence and crisis response. The Ford proves that the U.S. can adapt and maintain its edge at sea. This $13 billion investment is more than a ship. It's the cornerstone of American sea power for generations. The future of naval warfare is being forged on the deck of the USS Gerald R. Ford.